Devs, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Derek. I'm a front-end developer based out of Los Angeles, and in today's video, I'm continuing my series that I've dubbed Method Mondays, where I go over every array method there is in JavaScript. And next up on our list for today, we're going to be taking a look at Array.of. So let's just hop into our editor and get right into it. Okay, so Array.of is very simple. It basically just creates a new array from the provided arguments, regardless of the number or types of elements. Pretty straightforward. And it always returns an array with exactly the provided elements, even if there is only one argument. So something to keep note. And it works with any type of value, including undefined, null, and even objects. So for our first example, let's just create an array of numbers. Let's drop in our array.of method. Let's just give it some numbers. Let's say 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's store this in a variable. We'll just call it numbers. And then let's log numbers to the console. And there we go. We have our array of 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've got our number items here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Super easy. So pretty straightforward. Now, what about a single argument? Let's drop in our method, array.of. Let's just give it a single argument. We'll give it another number. We'll just say 5. We'll store this in a variable. We'll just call it a single value. And then we'll log this to the console. And you can see we have our single item array here. It just has one item, and that's the number 5. So again, the array.of is pretty straightforward. But remember, it works with any type of value, including undefined, null, and objects. So let's try this guy. We'll go with mixed data types. We'll drop in array.of, and then let's just give it some mixed data types. So I'll just paste this in. We've got a string, we've got the number 42, we've got a Boolean value of true. We've even got a whole object in here with a single key value pair, and even null. So we'll take all of that, we'll store it in a variable, we'll just call it mixed array, and then let's log mixed array to the console. And as expected, we still get our array with our mixed values. We can open that up. We've got our string, our number, our Boolean, the object. You can even open that guy up and take a look at its key value pairs and null. So that's really going to do it for array.of. It's a very, very simple array method. Like mentioned before, it just creates a new array from the provided arguments. That's about it. So devs, if you liked this or you found this helpful, definitely give this a like. I will link the code down in the description, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.